The professors are well educated and highly skilled to give you answer for all concerns and questions. My name is Ashenafi Terefe. I'm currently a graduate student at University of South Florida. The motivation behind taking the course in data analytics is because I have a keen interest to upgrade myself in data analysis and also to improve the skills that are necessary to use the healthcare data information. The courses have enriching. It's got multiple situations where you practice data analysis and data programming in the field. The professors are well educated and highly skilled to give you answer for all concerns and questions. Also, you have tools to use that are available for you 2 to 3 years. And also the course has got all sorts of examples to practice. The SQL and especially the Python course is very enriching that improved me to start from programming those techniques into practical insight from information.